Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're taking a closer look at the impressive 2026 Nimbus T11, a luxury day cruiser that perfectly combines Scandinavian design, premium comfort, and outstanding performance. If you're looking for a boat that's stylish, practical, and built for unforgettable adventures on the water, the Nimbus T11 deserves your attention. From the very first glance, the Nimbus T11 stands out with its clean lines, modern profile, and elegant Scandinavian styling. The wide walk-around deck makes it easy to move safely around the boat, while the premium finishes and smart layout create a perfect balance between luxury and functionality. Whether you're spending the day with family, entertaining friends, or exploring the coastline, the T11 is designed to make every trip enjoyable. Step on board and you'll immediately notice the spacious seating areas and beautifully designed cockpit. There's plenty of room to relax, enjoy a meal, or simply take in the stunning ocean views. The large sunbathing areas provide the perfect place to unwind, while the flexible deck layout makes the boat ideal for both relaxing and socializing. Inside, the cabin offers a bright and modern atmosphere with premium materials, comfortable seating, and clever use of space. Large windows allow natural light to fill the interior, creating a welcoming environment for weekend getaways or overnight stays. Every detail has been carefully designed to maximize comfort without sacrificing style. At the helm, the Nimbus T11 features a modern digital dashboard and intuitive controls that make driving simple and enjoyable. The boat delivers a smooth, stable ride and confident handling whether you're cruising through calm waters or heading out for a longer coastal adventure. Overall, the 2026 Nimbus T11 is a fantastic combination of Scandinavian craftsmanship